Ron from Ronald Law, and today we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons to invest in student housing in 2021. 2021 has brought a lot of challenges, but I'm here on the campus of SMU, and we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons why student housing should be on your list for your first investment. Now, the first reason is that it's in our culture. The USA has trained people to go to college to get a degree. Therefore, the demand is going to really outstrip any 1 year type of delay or a brief impact. Number 2, you have guarantors that will co-sign on the lease that are much stronger than the rent price that you typically will see at a comparable price point. So what I mean is, if you're renting a house for $2,000 and you have a regular tenant, they might be making $60,000, $70,000 a year. With student housing, that same rental will be co-signed by a parent making $150,000 a year, so you get a lot stronger guarantee. Number 3, you also have the ability to rent it by the room. And this one is really big for a lot of my first-time listeners, people looking to build capital and start. You get to rent each room for a higher price for the whole property, but it's a little bit more of a business. I would say it's definitely a business. However, that gives you the opportunity to make more money. Number 4, people are scared. People are concerned about online learning. They're worried about decreasing enrollment, decreasing applications. That is a little bit of a fear that makes it a good opportunity to buy these houses on college campuses. Finally, reason number 5, and this is the best reason, I believe that it really makes it strong, is you have a very located cluster. And if you have connections to a local university, you can really learn the individual market, unlike other property types. Other asset classes, they're very, very broad. You have to look at warehouse in DFW. You have to look at office buildings in Plano. Those are encompassing a lot of square miles and a lot of different potential properties. With student housing, you're really focused on a micro area. And that is another positive for new investors or people just looking to become an expert or to gain monopoly and pricing power in a market, which normally would take millions and millions of dollars of equity to actually gain some pricing power. With student housing, you can do it at a lot lower price point and establish a brand that much faster. So if you're interested in student housing, check out this interview with a successful student housing investor. Otherwise, smash that like button, and we'll see you next time.